passport scanning thing?
Yeah, you did. I'll send you those over here. Well, that was that little lizard. I was trying to get him.
Oh,